Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus. Now, as you can see, I'm right here. This is February 10th update. Actually, ChatGPT now offers a Plus account. Now, what Plus account is basically, as you can see, you will receive general access to ChatGPT even during peak times. You will get faster response times and priority access to new features and improvements. This is kind of like a VIP section for people that want to get most out of ChatGPT. Now, how can you get this screen right here? All you have to do is log in into your ChatGPT, and then you will be able to go here, and you will see that this is the pop-up they will represent to you. Now, what you need to do is, if you want to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, is click Learn More. Here, as you can see, you can upgrade. This is a free plan. This is my current plan, right? And here it is. You can actually upgrade the plan to $20 a month. Now, as you can see, it's available when the demand is high, it's faster response speed, and also priority access to new features. So whenever, a lot of people are using ChatGPT, you can actually use it whenever you want for $20 a month, right? So if I go here to click upgrade plan, basically what I will do is I will need to go through their OpenAI, right, Stripe link, which is basically here. You just go, you fill in the forms, and then you click subscribe, and then you will be able to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. So that's pretty much it. It's a really simple process. All you have to do is log in into your ChatGPT, try ChatGPT right here, and then once you're here, you'll be right here presented to upgrade to Plus. So you can upgrade to Plus anytime you want. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.